Is it really the best? Today, we are taking a deep dive into the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus. This definitive lab-tested review will help you decide if it deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. We tested 11 handheld vacuums against major brands like Dyson and Bissell. After months of side-by-side lab testing, this $99 underdog emerged as the ultimate all-rounder. Let's look at the specs. At 2.8 pounds, it's ultra-lightweight for overhead reaches. It offers 14.7 minutes of runtime, a 0.43-liter capacity, and operates at 73 decibels. It's built for quick strikes, not marathon sessions. The vacuum comes with key tools: a slim crevice tool for tight spaces, a self-cleaning motorized pet power brush for stubborn fur, and a scrubbing brush for hard surfaces. The pet power brush features a unique mix of rubber paddles and stiff bristles. Its anti-tangle technology ensures hair doesn't wrap around the roller, saving you from manual cleanup. In our testing, the Shark scored well across the board, passing our fine particle, large debris, and upholstery tests. It performs consistently on various surfaces. This is truly an automotive champion. Lab testers found the crevice tool perfect for reaching into tiny car cracks, while the lightweight design prevents wrist fatigue during cleanups. Maintenance is simple. The Clean Touch Dirt Eject button allows for hands-free disposal, and the filter is easily removable and washable. Just keep in mind that the small capacity means more trips to the trash. With a 14.7-minute runtime, this vacuum is built for short, focused tasks. While it charges relatively quickly in 2 to 3 hours, it's not designed for deep cleaning an entire house at once. When compared to other contenders, the Shark UltraCyclone stands out as the best all-rounder at $99, balancing performance and portability against pricier or more specialized models. Looking at our comparison matrix, the Shark consistently ranks high in pet hair removal and tight space cleaning, especially when you consider its competitive price point. While other vacuums offer raw efficiency, the Shark provides a versatile compromise: enough power for pet hair, but a compact form factor that fits where others can't. Weighing the pros and cons, the exceptional cleaning power and ergonomic design outweigh the minor drawbacks like the shorter runtime and smaller dustbin. The final verdict? The Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus earns an 85. It successfully bridges the gap between power and portability, making it the smartest $100 investment for your cleaning needs. Buy it if you need a great car detailer or have pets. Skip it if you have a massive vehicle to clean in one go or dislike frequent bin emptying. That's our take on this top pick.